In this video, I will show you how to build a smart search box in Excel using conditional formatting. It helps you quickly find the required data from large datasets. Take a look at this table. It contains the details of more than 100 employees working in a company. First column has the employee names. Second column shows the department. Third column shows the location and designation in the last column. Now let me show you how to quickly find the required details from this table. For example, there are 5 departments in this company: finance, HR, IT, sales and marketing. Suppose you want to highlight the records of employees working in the IT department. In the search box here, type IT, press enter. You will see that all employees working in the IT department are highlighted in blue. If you want to see the employees working in the HR department, type HR, enter. The search method works for other columns as well, such as location and designation. If you want to find the people working in Kochi, type Kochi, enter. To find the people working as data analyst, type data analyst, enter. Now let me show you how to create a search box like this. These are the same records we saw in the previous sheet. To create a search box, select any cell in this worksheet and type search. Enter. You can use any word like find, lookup or anything else. This text is just to identify the search box. Let's increase the column width. Align the text to the middle. Center. Apply bold formatting. Change the background color. And apply borders. Now suppose you want to highlight the records of people working in Delhi. Type Delhi in this cell. Enter. Now select the entire table excluding the column headers. In the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In this input box, equal, find, open parenthesis, select the cell containing the text to search for, comma, concatenate, open parenthesis, select the first cell in the first row of the selected table, comma, second cell in the same row, comma, third cell, comma, and fourth cell in the same row. Close parenthesis, once again close parenthesis. Now we have to delete the $sign before the row indexes of the cell references. I mean the cell references inside concatenate function. Click before 3, press backspace to delete the $sign. Format, fill, choose a color to highlight the records. I will go for light green. OK. Once again OK. And the records of the people working in Delhi are highlighted in green color. Chennai, to highlight the records of people working with sales department, sales, enter. To find the people working as marketing executive, type marketing executive, enter. To hide the grid lines, view, grid lines.